Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Only 24 hours have passed since I released the previous video, and Shib has already experienced a variety of exciting developments that you most likely would not expect. The biggest is arguably the delisting of Shib by Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, but it's not what you think. So be sure to read all the way through to the end to learn the truth. Disclaimer: in yesterday's video, we discussed how Shib has surpassed BUSD Finance's native token on the list of top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And today's topic is the delisting of Shib by Binance. There might be some relationship there. Perhaps, but probably not in the manner you anticipate. Shib is still a trading option that Binance continues to provide. The token was recently taken out of the Innovation Zone. According to Binance, the Innovation Zone was just launched to provide users with a secure environment in which to trade cutting-edge projects. Some of these initiatives have gained traction over time and uphold the high standards we demand. We will remove such initiatives from the Innovation Zone if we find them during our recurring project assessment. This implies that the delisting is really a graduation of sorts for Shiba Inu. To assess a cryptocurrency's suitability for exiting the Innovation Zone, the team's dedication to the project, the quantity and quality of development activity occurring within the ecosystem, the network stability and security, the project's contribution to the larger crypto ecosystem, and of course, the cryptocurrency's trading volume and liquidity are all factors that finance takes into account. So give it some thought. Shiba has been performing well on all those measures since Binance has finally removed it from the Innovation Zone, over 2 years after the coin first entered it in May 2021. And those numbers are really important. There is no way to know for sure right now, but it is very probable that Shib's recent ascent to the top of the list of most valuable cryptocurrencies by market cap was the tipping point for finance. The good news is that Shiba is now a fully backed crypto asset, much like Ethereum and Bitcoin, regardless of what was the final straw. If you weren't previously happy about it, you should be now. The Shiba Inu community has likely requested that Binance list BONE too as a result. Do you concur? Please post your comments in the space provided below. Shib's delisting from finance is not the only occurrence that occurred recently, though. It truly begs the question as to why 3.5 trillion Shib was recently shifted ahead of the Binance upgrade. A whale spent more than $40 million buying Shib tokens in a single transaction, according to a new discovery by Whale Alert. Even more intriguing is the fact that Shib was not yet moved out of the Innovation Zone when this transaction was made. Although the reason for this transaction is unknown, it is possible that the whale is getting ready to sell their Shib tokens, which would be negative for Shib, or that they are simply moving things around. Because the movement was between two unidentified wallets, and not from a wallet to an exchange, I believe the latter is more likely. Let's go back to the whale motions. The whale would have made it plain that they were getting ready to sell if they had shifted the tokens to an exchange. Yet, switching from one unidentified wallet to another appears to be proof that the whale is only rearranging things. But you can share your thoughts with us in the section below. That being said, since Bitcoin began to rise, there have been rumors of an official token for Shibarium that have gained traction. This is not unexpected because it is anticipated that altcoins won't lag too far behind Bitcoin once it begins to appreciate. As a result, some evildoers would wish to take advantage of this opportunity to spread their schemes and other mischief. Therefore, it's fortunate that Shytoshi chose to check this as soon as he could. I am not involved with any token using my name or likeness unlawfully. Do your own investigation and avoid being duped, he wrote on Twitter to set the record straight. Likewise, Shibarium does not have an official token. Any you see are extremely sus because Shibarium is an L2 blockchain. Must I continue? Army Shib hashtag This is one another reason why it's crucial for every Shiba Inu owner to exercise extreme caution. Right now, the Shiba Inu environment is flourishing. Scammers are aware of this, and that people are in a difficult situation. So always conduct your study to avoid being a victim and losing your assets. Also, only follow official Shiba Inu handles to receive updates. Speaking of Shibarium, the use of the blockchain is skyrocketing. This platform was only just launched last month, but it has already begun to compile some enormous numbers. Shibarium's beta testnet, PuppyNet, recently noticed an increase in activity and the quantity of whale wallets. On PuppyNet, more than 3.2 million successful transactions and more than 400,000 blocks have already been generated. Regarding wallet addresses, the site now has more than 11 million wallets available. That is very absurd. Especially when you take into account that the environment is home to just over 1 million Shiba Inu owners. This indicates that PuppyNet is being utilized by considerably more people than merely Shib holders, which was a contributing factor in the founding of Shibarium. Although the dev team has stated that anyone or any group that wants to build a secure and successful project on the platform is more than welcome, Shibarium is really only for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. If you thought this was incredibly helpful, kindly leave a comment and let your friends know about the video. With the YouTube algorithm, it truly helps, which enables me to keep raising the caliber of the videos. Just a few days ago, on April 14th, to be precise, there were just a little bit more than 4 million wallets on PuppyNet, which should give you some idea of how bizarre this recent rise is. Understand what this means. That nearly twice that many wallets flocked to the site in just a few days. That is absurd. Now, the precise cause of this rise is something we are unsure of. Shib's recent performance, its ascent to the top 10 cryptos by market cap, or something else different could all be factors. Consider sharing your opinions with us in the box below the comments because we know you have some. With everything going on, Shib's price's rising bullishness is unquestionably the much-needed cherry on top. Shib's price recently broke through a significant resistance zone, and it appears that it may do so again soon. The next resistance level, which the token has been struggling to break through for some time, must be cleared in order for Shib's upward price movement to be considered complete. Shib's price's rising relative strength index is another indication that the market is turning optimistic. The RSI is a momentum indicator that, according to Being Crypto, signals a positive trend when it moves above 50. By calculating how quickly the price is moving, the RSI is a metric that aids traders in determining whether a cryptocurrency is overpriced or undervalued. The trend is therefore positive, and an upward advance is anticipated, according to the daily time frame. What steps are you taking to get ready for this potential bull run? Is it something you can address in the comments section? Once more, David Gokhshtein brings up Shiba Inu. On Twitter, the well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast and founder of Gokhshtein Media was actually defending Shiba Inu. He was responding to critics of alternative cryptocurrencies who claimed that nothing positive can come of them. He pointed out to these detractors that early Shib investors actually made a ton of money off the token, building up generations of riches. In other words, while some look down on old currencies like Shib, others are using them to increase their fortune. Which group do you identify with? Using that? The video has come to an end. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. Also, don't forget to post a comment in the space provided. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Likewise, if you can, spread the word about this video as widely as you can. Let's spread the word about this.